Okay, my name is Mario. I've been living here for 15 years. And I was just explaining that Botero was a Colombian painter that had a defect in his eyes, and he saw everything, you know, like brown. So he painted people fat because that's the way they see them. So this bar used to be called Be Botero. So it's a mixture between the word beber and the name of Botero. So like drinking and Botero. So it has everybody painted as a fat person or statues of fat person. So you have fat Kiss, fat Freddie Mercury, fat Jim Morrison, fat Maradona, fat everyone. So that's why they are fat, because this guy painted them fat, but not because he wanted to paint them fat. That's the way he saw things.
Wow, bravissimo. You know, there's one other artist who had that, El Greco.
Well, yeah, but it was not fat. He just seen things like squeezing.
Exactly.
Yeah, it would be nice to see like that, huh?
It would be. Hey, thanks very much.
No problem. See you.
I'm going to put that on my